Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2013 on a 63 plate Audi A3 S-Line. This is the 1.4 turbocharged petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in brilliant red, and it's covered just 41,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this lovely looking A3 S-Line with a huge specification, over £2,000 worth of added options. So a really lovely example, not your everyday 11-year-old A3, that's for sure. September 2013 registered, 41,000 miles from 2 former keepers. Current owner has had the car since 2017, so for the last 8 years getting on for. It's got impeccable service history right the way through its life, all carried out at Audi themselves. We've got 10 recorded services right the way through. We've got a massive amount of paperwork to go with it as well. It really is like War and Peace, the paperwork for this car. The file's enormous, been properly cherished. £35 a year to tax, that's all, even though it's 140 brake horsepower with that 1.4 turbocharged petrol. We've got these lovely 18-inch alloy wheels with Michelin Tyres all the way around. So cheap road tax, sensible insurance group that goes very well. And specification wise, like I say, over £2,000 worth of added options, which I will come to. Remote locking comes supplied with 2 remote keys. Then we've got this half leather interior with the S-Line embossed with the white stitching. Just always such a classy interior on these Audis, it has to be said. All the door cards are in good shape. You've got 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and heated door mirrors. We've got Bang & Olufsen speakers which run throughout, so that was an expensive added option. S-Line embossed there. It's got its original carpet mats which run throughout as well. Automatic lights, 2 keys, up onto your leather cut-off steering wheel. Again, S-Line embossed into the bottom. You've got controls for your radio, you've got your trip computer controls. Down below we've got your adaptive cruise control, which is a really nice touch. Leather centre armrest, electronic handbrake, auto hold. Then you've got your controls for your iDrive system, 6-speed manual gearbox, a couple of cup holders, 12-volt socket. We've got your Audi leather wallet. You've also got all your handbooks in there as well. Dual zone climate control, start-stop facility which you can switch off, and then up onto your infotainment display. I won't go through it all, but you've got Bluetooth for your telephone, you've got DAB digital radio, we've got satellite navigation which is built in as well. So it's just a very, very nice place to be. Nearly a full tank of fuel that comes with it also. We didn't plan that. Privacy glass. Obviously you've got that 5-door practicality, and then into the back again you've got carpet mats which run throughout, a 12-volt socket down below, electric windows in the back, 3 seat belts with 3 proper headrests, ISOFIX for the child seats. You've got a fold-down centre armrest with a couple of cup holders. It does have the comfort package, this car. Looks the part in the brilliant red, it's a lovely colour. Across the back you've got your parking sensors. And then into the boot space, split folding rear seats, parcel shelf at the top. Then you've got this nice rubber load cover underneath that. Carpet's in tremendous condition, and also the luxury of a space saver spare wheel. Condition in the boot's lovely, all the plastics and everything. It's just been an extremely well kept car throughout. So there we have it, September 2013 Audi A3 S-Line 1.4 turbo with the 6-speed manual gearbox, 41,000 miles, current owner since 2017, 10 Audi services plus lots of bills and receipts. Sat-nav model, Bang & Olufsen speakers, there's a dash cam in there that we can see as well. Low road tax, it ticks so many boxes, this one. Finance is available from less than £250 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with an advisory-free MOT along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment-only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at our website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Not the cheapest example in the world, but with the specification and the history, it's a very, very nice example, and I'm sure it'll be popular. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.